I'm Bobby. I love eating carrots, apples, grapes, pears, and eggs. I like music and dancing. I like running too. I don't like riding bikes. I never eat candy. It's bad for my beautiful teeth. I don't eat oranges or lettuce either.
Hello, my name is Bolt. I like sleeping on the beach, running in the forest, and flying in the air. I don't like sleeping in caves. I'm afraid of octopuses.
Hello, I'm Captain Zoom. I live in caves. My favorite season is winter because I love snow. I like sports, especially skating. I hate water and umbrellas. I can't dance.
Hello, my name is Frankie. I'm really into fashion. My favorite color is pink. Please give me a hug because I love hugs. I like my bed. I don't like soup.
Hi, my name's Hunter. I love apples and pizza. I'm scared of spiders and snails.
Hello, I'm Jones. I can fly very high. It's so much fun. I like eating fruit. I don't like swimming in the sea. I never eat vegetables.
Meow! Hi, I'm Kira. I enjoy reading books. I love milk. I don't like watching TV. It's boring. I hate mice. Meow!
Hi, I'm Sage. I love reading. I'm a bookworm actually. I like eating and joking, and I'm really interested in art. I hate flies and cockroaches. I'm also afraid of the dark. I never eat pickles. Yuck!
Hi, I'm Think Big Giraffe. I love plants. They're so beautiful. I'm a vegetarian, so I don't eat meat.
Hi, my name is Woody. I like flying in the sky and eating fresh fruit. I can't swim. I hate vegetables.
We are your new friends. Nice to meet you.